opening there with a positive bias again, 0.3% higher. Wipro up just about 1%. Remember, it did move up ahead of earnings as well the last couple of sessions. So today, just about 1% and now about 0.5% on the back of that. I want to pull up ACC as well. We've got that one also on earnings. It's going to see a reaction coming in today. We've got JSW Steel up about 1.5% in the news, of course, for releasing pledge shares, but also keep in mind metals have been strong. BPCL is looking good today. Let's pull up that one. Bajaj Consumer, of course, impact of that big deal yesterday, 14% higher on the release of pledge shares once again. Let's pull up JSW Steel as well in line with that. And that's also moving on the back of similar news. BPCL, that's the other big one today, 3% higher on a BPCL. I just want to pull that up. So it's looking very strong and has been moving consecutively. Out of the other heavyweights today, I think you are seeing thematically across cement definitely some action. And we started to see that build up. A lot of buy calls also coming in on ACC post earnings. Ambuja, Ultratech, the entire pack is moving today. Infosys continuing to look a little weak, so that one's still lagging. Yes, Bank's down about 0.5% or so. ICICI flat, slight negative bias. MCX, that's again an earnings reaction coming in, 8% higher on that one. That's clearly the big earnings boost that you're seeing in today's session, so that's one to watch out for. Other than that, banks seem to be pretty quiet right now. Jubilant Life again in terms of news that we're tracking this morning, but just up about 0.5% or so. So those are some of the big movers so far this morning.
Take your eyes off from what Bajaj Consumer is up to, holding up quite steadily in trade. Blackstone and KKR, it seems, are in race for Imami Cements. That's what reports are indicating. Bajaj Consumer, like we highlighted, a good solid 15% up in the green. Karnataka Bank came out with its numbers, wherein the second quarter PAT has fallen by about 5.5% roughly on a year-on-year basis. Look out for an earnings reaction there as well. SBI Life, wherein the Q2 PAT has skid by 48% on a year-on-year basis. Having said that, amidst all these gloomy numbers, you've got a positive dhamaka from MCX, like we were highlighting yesterday. Very steady flow. The PAT has jumped by about 64.25% on a sequential basis, and you can see the stock as well react quite positively to the earnings, holding up 7.5%. Also want to revisit what some of the auto movers from yesterday are up to. What would the move on Eicher, Maruti, M&M, etc. Let's see whether those stocks continue their up move or not. Turned out to be a good day yesterday, as was the case with some of the distinct metal names, Vedanta, JSW Steel. They were all holding out very steadily. And today as well, you can see spots of green built in over there.